Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a special one, especially if you're a parent like me. As a mum of two lovely girls, I understand the importance of protecting our family from negative energies. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful ways to do just that. But before we dive into the products, let's understand what the evil eye is, what it stands for, and how it can protect ourselves and our families. The evil eye is a belief that dates back centuries across different cultures. It's often considered a curse or a malevolent glare cast by someone who harbors jealousy, envy, or negative feelings toward you or your family. This negative energy is believed to cause harm, misfortune, or general discomfort. However, to protect against evil energy, various cultures around the world have developed symbols and talismans such as the evil eye. These symbols are thought to deflect negative energy, keeping your family safe and free from harm. Now that we have a better understanding of the evil eye, let's dive into the products that can help protect your family. First up, we have the Celestial Unity Evil Eye Sun and Moon Ceramic Statue. This beautiful statue combines the power of the evil eye, the sun, and the moon symbols to create a protective aura around your home. The evil eye wards off negativity, the sun brings happiness and joy, while the moon brings calmness and tranquility. You can place this stunning statue in your living area or your bedroom, where it will serve as a constant reminder of the positive energy surrounding you. It's a beautiful addition to your home decor that also provides spiritual protection. Our second way to protect your family is with the Overall Protection Multi-Stone Evil Eye Kids Necklace. This necklace is perfect for your little ones, providing overall well-being and creating a positive environment for their growth and learning. Children are delicate souls, and it's essential to surround them with positive energy. This charming necklace can be worn by your child daily, whether they're at school, playing with friends, or simply at home. It acts as a shield, deflecting any negative energy that may come their way, helping them to stay cheerful and focused on their journey of growth. Now let's talk about the third way to protect your family, especially your kids. The Unconditional Love Rose Quartz Evil Eye Necklace is a must-have. When your child wears this necklace, they're shielded from any negative energy directed towards them. Plus, the rose quartz stone promotes love and kindness. Encourage your child to wear this necklace daily as a symbol of love and protection. It not only safeguards them from negativity, but also instills in them a sense of love and kindness, making their childhood even more joyful and full of positivity. Next, we have the Lush Growth Evil Eye Jade Double Pointer Necklace. This necklace is all about prosperity and abundance. The jade stone illuminates your path to success, while the evil eye ensures protection along the way. Trust in the abundance you deserve. This necklace is perfect for adults looking to invite prosperity into their lives. Wear it daily to remind yourself of the abundant opportunities around you. The evil eye ensures that your journey is protected, allowing you to focus on your path to success. Finally, our fifth way to protect your family is by harnessing the power of intention and energy with the Enchanting Light Evil Eye Charm. This ancient symbol has been revered for centuries as a talisman of protection. It wards off negativity and invites good fortune and positive energy into your life. You can carry this charm with you wherever you go, whether it's on a necklace, bracelet, or simply in your pocket. It's a constant reminder that the universe is working in your favor, protecting and guiding you toward a life that's filled with fulfillment and abundance. So there you have it, 5 incredible ways to protect your family with the evil eye from negative energies, along with a deeper understanding of what the evil eye represents. Remember, as a parent, it's our duty to create a safe and loving environment for our kids. If you're interested in any of the products that we showcased today, you'll find all the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, take care and keep those good vibes flowing in your home. Bye for now.